Hi, welcome to the how-to video series of Projectrak for Jira, a place to upskill your Jira project tracking abilities. In this video, we will show you how to use external data sources in project fields. To make this happen, we need to perform two actions. First, to create a connection to the external database. And second, to create the project field that will have this information. Let's create the connection. In the main menu of Jira, click over the Projectrak drop-down menu. In the Configuration submenu, click over the Connection option. If you've previously created a connection, you'll visualize a list of those. If not, as is our case, it will be blank. Let's click over the Create Connection button. A pop-up window will appear, and we will need to add a name, a description, a database type to choose from a drop-down menu, which could be MySQL, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, Oracle, and HSQL. And finally, we will need to insert the connection string. There, we have the option to test if it's appropriately working. When we're done, click over the Create button. Now we have our first connection listed, which we have named Jira Local Connection. Now let's proceed to create the project field where we will use this external data connection. Let's click over Projectrak in the main menu of Jira. Then we select the Fields option, where we're going to see all of the project fields we have historically created within the app. On the top right, there's a Create Field button. Click over it, and then we select a List type of field. There's a distinction to choose the creation of a standard Projectrak's project field or the external sources type of fields. For this example, we will use the single choice option of the external sources fields. Let's click on it. Right after, a pop-up window will show up requesting a series of details, such as name, description, to indicate the connection we have previously created, and then to insert the SQL query that will bring that specific external information we need into our Jira projects. In this case, let's select those projects coming from the Project Jira board. Once done, hit the Create button, and voila! Let's see how this project field works. Click over any project where you want to display this information. In the main menu of Jira, click over this recent project we have been working on, then to edit the layout associated with the current project. Click the button. Once there, in the container of our interest, which in this case is the one with the Involved title, click over the Add Field button to add the field we recently created, and we named as Jira Projects. Now let's proceed to save this layout. Let's visualize the information. Click the list, and there is the external data we need to track in our Jira projects. Having the information scattered around on different software tools and databases is no longer a blocker to track your project information like a pro. Do it with Projectrak. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to check our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Hit the subscribe button and follow us on our social media channels.